Hello friends, Running Kimono here, Bath and Body Works Candle Day haul. We're going to go through the candles that I bought. Kind of went a little lighter today because I somewhat messed up and yeah, I couldn't find everything I wanted because I showed up at 9 o'clock instead of the recommended 6 a.m., which it is what it is. So, stores will be open again tomorrow. And if you want to put in a curbside order today, you can't. But tomorrow, I believe you can, according to an employee at the store. If you like to just order through the app and drive to the store and pick it up, tomorrow will be the day for that. But Candle Day in store today, you can totally do that. And today is December the 5th. So, Sam's Club had this wonderful promotion for $39.98. You pay that, and then you get a $50 gift card emailed to you. We couldn't do it until 9 a.m. this morning, so that's why I got delayed. And that gift card, mine, I put my order in, and about 3 or 4 minutes later, it appeared, even though it says 48 hours later. Do that at your discretion because as the weekend marches on, it might be a little later. But for me, it was really quick today with the Sam's Club app. Showing up 3 hours later, the perfect pairing candles, there wasn't a single one left. And that's on me, it's just the breaks of this. But as December marches on, there definitely will be a restock. They always do that. They get a couple candles for hype and then they restock them. And my understanding too with some of these candles, this is interesting. They only had like three of each at my location. So I don't know if the employees bought them all or somebody showed up at 6 and bought everything. We don't know. If you got these home mailers, they scanned beautifully for me. I did not scan them off the app, but these are identical barcodes from the app to the home mailer. So I would try and ask the cashier to scan it. And if it works, it works. And if it doesn't, just say, hey, take that off my transaction. And they certainly can do that. Everything at the register too is ringing up $9.95. There isn't something they have to scan. And as you could see, the 10 off 40, you can see I'm not making this up. And then I got a free dry shampoo as well. My Thousand Wishes dry shampoo completely for free. So it does in fact work. Again, not lying. So here is the proof in the pudding because yeah, people don't believe that they're scanning, but they are. The exclusion was online only, but it never said excluded in store. So that was the one little thing that I'm like, I think this will work in store, and it did work in store. One thing that did go my way was I got a beautiful 2025 Candle Day bag that is the perfect cozy for your candles. So I did grab 6 today. The plan was initially 11, but the perfect pairing wasn't there. So this lady was like, I think I'm going to wait. I got sugared waffle cone, the Candle Day candle, lemon kitchen. Haven't seen that one in a while. Rum raisin, and 2 tree farms for my husband. So let's go through the scent notes. First candle that we have is Candle Day. This is a genius idea because I always thought they should have had a candle for their event. So this one is the sun ripened strawberry. That must be a summer candle with the notes of sweet berry, sheer sunlight, and sugar crystals. It smells super, super summery, but I love the packaging and I'm a sucker for the packaging. This candle is quite the home run. It's called Sugared Waffle Cone. It just smells, it's part of the Sunday Bar line. It just smells like food, and this is exactly what I love. A freshly baked sugar cone, sea salt, caramel sea salt, and gooey marshmallow. It is all of those notes. I'm very excited to burn this one. It is a 10 out of 10. Rum Reindeer, this one. The scent notes are vanilla rum, pineapple bundt cake, caramelized brown sugar. It smells very chocolatey to me. I don't know what it is. I only got one. I think when you burn it, it smells a lot. It'll smell different than the actual smell of the candle. I just get that feeling. This one I think is going to be the perfect gift for gifting, which is the kitchen lemon. I love the hand soap. We have the scent notes of zesty lemon, sparkling citrus, and Italian bergamot. It is a superb candle. Love it, and it's very fresh and clean smelling. So again, another A+. And then I got 2 of these for my husband, which is the Tree Farm. In the past, he's enjoyed this candle. It has the notes is crisp pine needles, warm cedar, and spiced apple. Anything with juniper, I am not a fan of. So this does not have the juniper notes. I just don't like the smell of juniper. But this one is a home run, especially in a large room like our basement. It just makes the house smell really cozy. And I also had a free item, and this is what I grabbed. It was a free body product. The dry shampoo at Bath & Body Works. It makes your hair smell like perfume and not so greasy. If you're a fan of this, dry shampoo, definitely try it, especially if you have a free item. Let's not forget, class, I had a free item coupon that was mailed to me. I had to purchase $10 and it's scanned today beautifully in store. These I saw and like nobody bought them. They were just like, I think they're going to end up in the clearance or that semi-annual sale that they have. It's a holiday pickle candle. I don't fully understand that, but maybe it just smells like pickles. It's really weird. I might have to buy one for $3 in January. And don't forget, when you're in store, they have the little cellophane bags and bows. Grab them all, especially if you love gifting candles. That's it for this video. More information and the full rundown of the event, I'll link the video right here, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.